Hey, mini lesson 1.1c, order of operations, where to place parentheses. That's the key here. So we're reviewing order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, parentheses, grouping symbols, exponents, multiplication or division from left to right, and addition and subtraction would be the last thing you look for. So let's take a look at number one. After mentally completing the first step in the order of operations, write the step that will be performed second. So you got to read directions carefully. The directions will change in these types of problems, in this set of problems. So after doing the first step would be the 2 times 18, or 2 times 8, excuse me, which is 16. Write the step that will be performed second. It would be the addition. You would do the adding. So the multiplication would be first, the addition second, because they're inside of parentheses and brackets. In Get More Math, what they're looking for is for you to write 4 plus 16. So the answer, write the step that will be performed second, you would write 4 plus 16. You tap that in. So number two, similar question. After mentally completing the first step, write the step that would be performed second. So in this problem, we're going to divide 20 and 4 first and get 5. And then in the brackets, it would be 31 times 5. So that would be the second thing you would do. So you type that in, and that's what they're looking for. They might get a problem like number 3. Given the expression below, which statement is true about the parentheses? So look at the statement we have here. Let's highlight it. 28 times, and the 4 divided by 2 is in parentheses, then you have plus 6. A, the parentheses indicate that 4 divided by 2 should be simplified first. B, the parentheses indicate that 2 plus 6 should be simplified first. C, the parentheses indicate that 4 divided by 2 should be simplified last. And D, the parentheses indicate that 28 times 4 should be simplified last. Well, the only right one, parentheses tell you to do that first. So that would be letter A. So you type in letter A. Now in number 4, talks about this Dorothy. She wants to simplify this problem here. The question asks, what should be her first step? Well, I see brackets, but I also see parentheses inside the brackets. So this is what you would do first. 25 and 5, you're going to divide by 25 and 5. Another type of problem you might see is number 5 here. Rewrite the equation with one set of parentheses to make it true. So you want the left side to equal the right side. So how do you get the left side to equal 3? If you follow the order of operations the way it is now, you do the division first. You would add next, 14 plus 2 is 16, and then subtract 1 last and get 15. But we want the answer to be, or the left side to be equal to the right side of 3. So I don't want to do the 14 divided by 7 first. I want to do the addition first, so I need parentheses. So let me erase what the problem would be without parentheses. Now let's test it with parentheses. 14 plus 14 is 28. Do that first because I put parentheses around. Then I divide by 7, which is 4. Then subtract 1, which gives you 3. So rewrite the equation with one set of parentheses. You would write 14 plus 14 in parentheses, then divide by 7 minus 1. because then that would give you the 3. So that's what you would tap in. Then number 6 in the expression below, where can you put parentheses to make it equal to 30? So they have it multiple choice. You could put parentheses around the 28 and 8. That would be 36. 36 divided by 4 is 9. Or if you do B, 8 divided by 4 is 2. 28 plus 2 is 30. So B would be the correct way. Good luck with those problems.